Hello, dear students. We are going to discuss another topic of electrochemistry, that is fuel cell. First of all, we know that fuel cell are also galvanic cells in which the electrical energy is derived directly from the redox reaction of the fuel. Okay, students. Electrical cells that are designated to convert the free energy from the combustion of fuel such as hydrogen, carbon monoxide or methane directly into electrical energy are called fuel cells. One of the most successful are fuel cells used in the reaction of hydrogen with oxygen to form water. This cell has been used for electric power in Apollo space program. The water vapor produced was condensed and added the drinking water supply for astronauts. See here we have a figure of fuel cell in which we supply hydrogen here, oxygen by another side. This is cathodic region and here is anode. With the help of hydrogen and oxygen, water is formed. We know very well when hydrogen and oxygen mix together it form water, but more amount of energy. This energy is used as fuel. Okay, students. Then what reaction occurs in fuel cell? At anode, hydrogen gives oxidation and at cathode oxygen react with H2O and form hydroxide ion. This is reduction process. So overall reaction in fuel cell, when 2H2 react with O2 gives 2H2O. This is the reaction of fuel cells. I repeat, the overall reaction in fuel cell, 2H2 plus O2 equal to 2H2O. The cell runs continuously as long as reactants are supplied. Okay, students, I repeat, what is fuel cells? Fuel cells is an galvanic cells which converted electrical energy into chemical energy and it is used for conserving more amount of heat. जब हाइड्रोजन ऑक्सीजन से रिएक्शन करता है, वाटर का फॉर्मेशन करता है, उसके साथ साथ एनर्जी रिलीज होती है मोर अमाउंट में, जिसको हम फ्यूल के फॉर्म में यूज कर सकते हैं. और ये आपका नॉर्मल फ्यूल सेल है जो हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन के यूज से बनता है. इसके अलावा हम फ्यूल सेल में हाइड्रोजन, कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड, मीथेन इन सबको डायरेक्टली यूज कर सकते हैं इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी के रूप में. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आवर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज कोरोजन. As we learned in class 10th also in previous classes, corrosion means the phenomenon in which gradual decay, withering or disintegration occurs. Okay students, it takes place due to chemical or electrochemical reactions of metal with its environment. Basically electrochemical phenomenon is called corrosion. Rusting of iron, tarnishing of silver, development of green coating on copper and bronze are some of the example of corrosion. Corrosion causes enormous damage to building, bridge, ships and many other articles which is made up with iron. In corrosion, a metal is oxidized by loss of electron to oxygen and form metal oxide. Corrosion of iron is commonly known as rusting, we know very well, and occurs presence of water with oxygen. See here we have example of corrosion here. Rust Fe2O3, which is example of corrosion, and this is iron react with oxygen, wither and form rust. In this reaction, iron oxidized to form Fe2 plus, oxygen react with hydrogen to form water. This is rusting phenomenon. Okay students, and in the process of corrosion, the reactions are at anode, iron gets oxidized, at cathode, oxygen react with hydrogen to form H2O. This is overall reaction of corrosion process. And at last, when iron react with oxygen with water, it form 2Fe2O3 plus 8H plus, that is rust. Okay students, what is prevention of corrosion? As we know, corrosion of metal is prevented by applying protective coating such as grease, paint or metal coating on its surface. In case of iron, this coating is done in two ways: electrolysis and dipping of iron. Okay students, and also prevention of rusting by using anti-rust solution, alloy formation, galvanization, tin coating. These all are the methods for prevention of iron. Okay, so these are two topics of chapter: corrosion in which any metal loses its activity, for example rusting of iron, greenness of silver, loss of luster Ag due to formation of Ag2S, and we prevented corrosion by coating, galvanization, alloy formation. Thank you.